The experiences of our young people during the COVID-19 pandemic, I think is going to be something which you're going to remember for a very long time. Yours will be the generation that came of age in the middle of a global pandemic.
All the old traditional way of doing things basically have been disrupted due to this COVID-19. How then do we as a youth organization help young people generate, I would say, industry-centric skill sets?
Welcome to Hacking the New Normal, organized by SCAPE and supported by Isentia.
Many of our SMEs are currently facing unprecedented challenges to sustain their businesses. So at times like these, creative ideas that could allow our SMEs to adapt and pivot become very, very valuable.
I'm very willing to help a whole new generation of Gen Zs, I believe. Okay.
Everybody has been affected by COVID-19 pandemic, right? So it's really nice to find ways to give back in, big and small.
I'm really excited to really hear interesting and innovative ideas, brand stories and stuff like that.
Initiatives that I'm involved in is all about contributing back and building out the next generation of female leaders.
Very privileged to be here, very privileged to share my experience with the teams that I'm mentoring, and I hope we win.
These 5 industries are F&B, retail, education, esports, and dance studio.
I'm very excited to just really hear how their brains work.
So what I'm really looking forward to is listening to what great ideas you guys have and really get to the bottom of what you think the new normal would look like and feel like for all of you.
This initiative is a learning journey, not just for you, but also for us.
We are really excited to create solutions for dancers made by dancers. So to adapt to this climate, we actually formulated 2 short-term strategies, which we believe will allow us to act in the near immediate future.
Our long-term strategy is to build an online community through an application. We believe that this need of community will remain high among dancers, and therefore we want to be proactive and provide an avenue for dancers to build this community. With that,
so really well done on the part of all teams, and to realize that some of them don't have the background in marketing and yet are able to do that, I think that is really commendable.
Most of these solutions which have been given, they can be directly implemented to support the business in Singapore.
Some brilliant presentations, lots of well-structured, thought-through data insights, which is always great. A big focus on customer, lots of references to target segments, which I always like to see.
Congratulations, guys. Having said that, the other 2 teams, really good job as we see from the judges. And what is in store for you would be your work will be distributed to different associations.
I am really very, very happy, to be honest. I can't stop smiling. Great depth in their research. They really know how to use the Isentia data, and that really give very solid credential. I really like it.
I think the world needs the ideas of youths. Singapore needs the ideas from youths, and to have so many of you come together, I think is something that's extremely precious, and I want to show my appreciation for all of you for joining in this initiative.